All right, guys, we got a 2022 Chevy Camaro LT1. Really beautiful car, all blacked out. I like the new body style on them. I think they sexy. 2 factory converters there, 2 factory converters there. Then it goes 2.5 all the way into an X pipe right in the center. And then what he brought is, then it's got 2 valves on it also for sport mode, there and there, or sport plus plus. And he brought his own MBRP system, there and there, axle back, straight pipe. There's the stock muffler that comes on it usually, right there, that we took off. Here's the part number for the MBRP, S7036. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys, okay? There it is, right there, as you guys can see. And that's what it looks like after. A lot sexier, a lot nicer. And we should get a little bit more noise out of it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, much better. That sounds so good. So much better than that. Your sound decibels? Again. 115. So much better. Chevy Camaro LT1. All murdered out. I like it. It accents the chrome tips accent the batch is pretty good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro LT1. Wait on the ambulance. Hopefully they survive. Wow, I love it. It's perfect crackle too. You can still hear it. I love it. And that still has stock cats and everything.